I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, jump,
I,
go. Yeah,
the first page, I
yeah.
believe it was the first page, immediately caught my attention with the story with you riding and you had to jump off the bike.
Yes,
I
sir.
said, "Oh man, that." I said, "This is a way. This is a good way to start the book." It was a real good setup for the book, man.
Thank you,
I'm
bro.
really for that.
That was right. That's a true story. So what James is talking about, y'all, is so the book is called Get Off the Cycle and Run, right? Relationship cycles are behavior patterns, relationships, things, events that repeat over and over and again in our life and kind of have us in this habitual habit of being stuck. I'm not progressing. I'm not moving forward. I'm not making progress. I'm just doing the same thing over and over and over again, get the same results, and I really don't even see why. A lot of times, Jay, we don't even realize that we're the engine behind our own lack of productivity. We're the reason for it. We don't even realize it, right? Because we're so used to our systems, our cycles. Well, the story that James is talking about, true story, real life. I was a kid in Baltimore, kind of going downhill. I was riding a bike. I'm maybe about 6 years old, between 5 and 7, right? Between it around this time, so I'm 5, 6, 7 years old. Just barely learned how to ride a bike. I had a blue bike. I think they called them bikes Huffy or BMX bikes. You remember them bikes when we was little? Like,
Yeah,
so I
yeah,
had like a blue one of them. I'm on it and going, and it wasn't like a big slopey hill, but for a little kid with a bike that's a little bit too big, that's pretty fast to just learn how to ride. So I'm going down, James. I'm going, and I know it's like I saw it in front of me. I'm about to flip and roll and bump, like I'm about to crash and burn. And I was trying to control it, and I knew I needed to get off the bike, but getting off the bike means jumping and
right.
crashing and scratching yourself. And I was scared to jump, but I knew that if I stayed on it, I was going to f myself up. So I jumped off the bike in the middle
It's
of it rolling.
it was crazy because it's like when I read it,
Yeah.
I could visualize you riding a bike. So I said, okay, that's a good